open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM.
Alright, Daniel, so what you'll need for this application is your basics. You want to get your little cotton Q-tips just in case you need to clean your nails. You want a buffer. You want to have something to wipe the dust off your hands. You want to have, of course, your nail filer, which is provided right here. Yeah, I'm fascinated with the color Avi, right? You want to also make sure you have the polish, the color of choice that you want to use. You just want to make sure you have all this set up. You want to have your nail polish on deck. I always have mine right next to me because I'm always making mistakes, literally, as you can see. Yeah, like I said with the colors, you want to have your super glue. I am using the Kiss kit, so the glue does come with the nails. And here are the Kiss nails. These are 100 tips. These are only $6.99 and I purchased them from CVS. And you also, of course, would want your nail clippers.
Things I don't have, and it makes me wanna hide and never see the light again. Oh, I hate what I'm seeing. I just wanna run, disappear for good. I wanna tear myself apart and create something new. Oh, just leave me be the way I always was. Oh, just let me be. I can't bear hating me. Oh, leave me alone. I can't leave on like this. I need to learn how to cherish and love my little self. I just wanna be da-da-da-da. I just wanna be da-da-da-da. I just wanna leave everything behind and disappear for good. Can't look at myself for a single moment and not torture me. It's just been too long, I can.
Okay, so you may all hear my fan. I have my fan on, but right here, you just want to make sure your first layer of a nail is buffed before you apply the second nail. That will make it connect and stay put. So make sure you buff off the shine of your first layer of nail.
For something that I do not possess. All I can see through the mirror is nothing but big old crap. Oh, I hate what I'm seeing. I just wanna run, disappear for good. I wanna tear myself apart and create something new. Oh, just leave me be. Just let me be. Can't bear hating me. Oh, leave me. Can't leave all of this.
Oh, my homies wanna know what's up with us. They can't believe that I'm kicking it with just one girl, but I'm cool with that. So pretty eyes and a smile, girl, I'm a fool for that. Yeah, I'm a fool. Yeah, I like it. Okay. Okay, I'm just sizing it up, y'all. I'm not gonna show the full time of me filing that much because, yeah, I've done like a lot of these videos, and I have like a more thorough video. Once I learn how to do the iCards, then I'll do the iCards, y'all. So it can be easier and clink on an older video. Like for instance, when I do my, you know, if you have not seen it, go back and take a look and catch up. When I do those iCards will be very helpful for that part of my intro. So y'all can just hit the iCard and, you know, go to the video that I'm fucking telling y'all to go catch up on. The fuck? Okay, so right now I'm just thoroughly trying to make it match my cuticle. I'm about to say that wrong. Cuticle. Just make it look a bit more realistic. My fingers are funky. They're a little weird because I'm sure I've already said this in the voiceover, but I used to suck these two fingers since I was like from like 2 months to 19 years old. I literally stopped sucking these two fingers when I became pregnant with my son. And when I found out I was pregnant with my son, I was 19, but I had him when I was 20. And I literally went cold turkey on sucking my fingers once I found out I was pregnant. So for 19 years, literally, like, I used to suck on these two fingers. And if you're a thumb sucker or if you're a finger sucker, you understand that literally that should be for life. Sometimes I be wanting to slip up when I go to bed because it be like, it used to help me go to bed and shit. You know, I used to suck my fingers. My thing was sucking these two fingers and rubbing on something that was silk, but silk with like lumps in it. I don't know if that makes sense.
Disappear for good. I wanna tear myself apart and create something new. Oh, just leave me be the way I always was. Oh, just let me be. I can't bear it in me. Only me.
Nails on. Nails are officially on. The point of the double nail is to make it thick, to give it the acrylic illusion of it being thick. So as you can see, it's like thick when you turn it to the side. You see that curve? That's why you double layer the nail. See how thick? See how thick? It doesn't look like paper thin and shit. Excuse me. For example, like this one. This one looks a little thin because I purposely only used one nail when I did it because I was just lazy. I didn't feel like double nailing, but here's a prime example. See how thin that looks and how thick these look. That gives it like the illusion of it being acrylic. I might just time lapse the rest, and then when I get to the red bottom part, I can just come back, you know?
I wanna tear myself apart and
sense.
create something new. Oh, just leave me be the way I always was. Oh, just let me be. I can't bear hating me, only me alone. I can't leave on like this. I need to learn how to cherish and love my little self. I just wanna be I just wanna leave disappear for good. I wanna tear myself apart and create something new.
Just like,
Oh, just leave me be. The way I hold you, oh, just let.
y'all, I forgot to buff my edges. See how that's coming up, but that needs to be buffed off. So it won't affect my paint.
Need to learn how to cherish and love my little self.
Okay, there goes. That little, you just gotta like, basically this is like sealing it and finishing it off. Getting it nice and buffed around the corners. So there won't be like a jagged feeling. I don't really want to go over the thumb again because I'm satisfied with that. I don't want to mess that coat up. And then on the sides, I just kind of paint over it so you can't see like that double layer. Like, to play that again. I'm literally about to play that again. Don't know how I felt this lately. I've been trifling this life. What it says, I know. My phone's gonna die, so I'm gonna like base coat our color to lock it in. Please don't ask me where I'm going, 'cause I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the red bottom and we will be finished. Get some on your finger, you can use nail polish remover and take it off. Till their heart's broken, don't you dare tell me. Oh, don't you dare. Oh, cover your real nail if you want to, so it won't look so like weird with that white showing of your nail, but I don't really want to do that. I don't care to do it. Y'all see? And it's simple. I might cover the one in the middle because that is kind of bothering me. Okay, that looks better, right? Yeah, that looks better. So sweet. Okay. Okay, here's the finished look. These are the older ones. Ignore them. They're still on point. I'm just gonna go over on the base coat after I eat so they can just get a new gloss to them. But here are the red bottoms here. And yeah, this is the ones I just finished. And if you want, what I usually do, if you can see this on the side, I'll put like jewelry on the side of them or just leave it alone. Because from a distance, you really can't see that shit. Those are like little simple mistakes. Well, not mistakes, but like little simple glitches. But here we are, you guys. Red bottom. I do these often when I'm doing my own nails. I like how it look with the nude and everything like that. How does it look against my ornament? Y'all like my ornament bow? Y'all know I be doing my DIY, so this is like my centerpiece for my table ornament. But yeah, you see it first. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to a gem, and I will see you guys in my next video. My fingers are being weird, so I might just cover that part off. See you guys in my next video. Mwah.